Everyone, in this video I will discuss about the extraocular muscles nerve supply and its mnemonic. First of all, you have to know that there are 7 muscles present in the extraocular region, and which are called extraocular muscles. The first 6 muscles which are shown there helps in the movement of the eyeball and regulates its movement. The 7th muscle, which is levator palpebrae superioris, it helps in the movement of the upper eyelid and regulates its movement. So first of all, I come forward to the mnemonic. First of all, I call the muscles. First muscle is superior rectus. Second one is inferior rectus. Third is medial rectus. Fourth is lateral rectus. Fifth is superior oblique. Sixth is inferior oblique, and seventh is levator palpebrae superioris. So you can remember these muscle name by simply short mnemonic: superior rectus for SR, inferior rectus for IR, medial rectus for MR, lateral rectus for LR, superior oblique for SO, inferior oblique for IO, and levator palpebrae superioris for LPS. Simply you can remember the capital letter and you can remember this mnemonic for the each muscles. You can see that eye has the 4 recti muscles and the 2 oblique muscles. You can also remember these. Then we come forward to the nerve supply of these extraocular muscles. First of all, I will show you the nerve supply, and then we come forward to the mnemonic. Superior rectus nerve supply is oculomotor nerve, which is third cranial nerve. Inferior rectus for the oculomotor nerve, which is also a third cranial nerve. Medial rectus is also supplied by oculomotor nerve, and lateral rectus is exceptional and it is supplied by the abducent nerve, which is cranial nerves number 6. Superior oblique is supplied by the trochlear nerve, which is also exceptional and supplied by the 4th cranial nerve. Inferior oblique is also supplied by the oculomotor nerve, which is cranial nerve number 3, and last muscle is the levator palpebrae superioris, which is supplied by the oculomotor nerve, which is cranial nerve number 3. So how you can remember these cranial nerves for the extraocular muscles? Simply I have shown the formula on it. You can see that you can remember this formula and you can remember all the nerve supply by it. First of all, SO4. SO means superior oblique. You can see that superior oblique is there, and SO means superior oblique, and the number shows the nerve supply, and it is supplied by the 4th nerve, which is trochlear nerve, and you can remember this formula for this nerve. Next one is LR6. LR means lateral rectus. There this is shown, and it is supplied by the abducent nerve, which is cranial nerve number 6, and 6 are shown there. LR6, you can remember this. R for rest of the muscles, and it is supplied by the 3rd nerve, which is oculomotor nerve, and 3rd is shown there. So you can remember this formula and you can remember all the nerve supply of the extraocular muscles by it. SO4, LR6 and R3. One thing I will tell you about the levator palpebrae superioris, it has smooth muscle fiber, superior tarsal muscle, which is involuntary muscles, but levator palpebrae superioris also are voluntary muscles. Its involuntary nerve supply is also sympathetic. You can also know this for the is information. This is all about the mnemonic for the extraocular muscle nerve supply. You can remember the muscle name and its short mnemonic, and you can also remember the nerve supply by this formula, and it will be easier for you. I hope you have liked this video. If you have liked this video, share it and subscribe our channel for the future updates. And if you have a question, you can comment, and if you have not liked the social media platform, links are given in the description. You can follow them. Thanks for watching.